This tutorial will help you navigate your files in your Blackboard course. Begin by entering your course, and you want to scroll down to the control panel and to the Files area. Expand this and select your course ID. This is the link to your content area. Your course content is all here, and you'll see that it's organized. You probably have a My Course Files folder, and that's where all your course materials are. You might have other folders that you created for different files and images or other objects in your course. And you might see that you have some imported content or content you've exported from your quiz tools or rubrics. So go ahead and take a look at that. And notice here that your content may be several pages long. So you want to make sure that what you're displaying here is everything that's in your course, or be aware that you may have to turn the page in order to see everything. In order to view the files within these folders, just click on the folder name, and you might see a series of subfolders depending on how your content is organized. There's really no specific or perfect way to do this. The best thing is that you know where your stuff is. You know how to find different files in your course. So some people may have different lessons organized and separated into different folders. Some people might have all of the lessons shoved into one folder. Once you get in and you see a list of files, there's a couple different ways you can organize them. One of them is by name. You can alphabetize them. Click on the name link at the top, and this will sort them. And if you click again, it'll sort in reverse order. So you can see that these files are being sort of changed around based on how they're numbered here. And also, notice down here that I don't have everything on one page. If I click Show All, then all 46 items will appear on this page. So this is sorted alphabetically, and this is a good way to check for duplicate files. Because if you've got them sorted alphabetically, typically two of the same file will show up right beside each other. Another way to organize your material is by size. If you click on the size link at the top of this column, it'll do the same thing. It'll sort from smallest to largest, or the other way around, from largest to smallest. And you might find that your course has a lot of giant files, and you might want to, if these aren't necessary, you might want to get rid of these bigger files, because that can be a burden when it's time to copy courses. If you need the big files, don't worry, you can keep them. There's no reason to get rid of them if they're useful and necessary to your course. To get out of this folder, you would choose this little icon up here with the up arrow, and that'll take us up one level in this folder structure. If I click it again, I find myself back in my root directory. And that's how you navigate around the content area.